Hey everyone, this week we've got some Saab content, and I am a Saab guy, so this makes me happy. This is a Saab 9000 Aero by DNA Collectibles. The Saab 9000 Aero debuted in the US in 1993, and they were made till 1997. You can tell this is a 94 to 97 because of the wheels. The 93s had polished lips. They refer to these wheels, I think, as Super Aeros. I, of course, am a Saab guy. I've got 3 rare Saab station wagons at the moment. Trying to pare that down to 2. This features the B234R 2.3 liter turbo 4. I have the same engine that I swapped into one of my 9.5 wagons. They're known for handling a lot of boost. They've got stronger pistons than the later T7 cars. I'm going to be a proper Saab dork here, so you're going to hear all this kind of terminology. This is the only 1/18 scale 9000 model that I know of. DNA Collectibles is a great source for good Swedish stuff because they're pretty crazy about Saabs and Volvos just like I am. This is resin, non-opening parts, of course. Paintwork is very good. Windows have a little bit of warpage, typical to a resin car. Details are very good. If you notice the little, I'd say that's painted detail on the door handle for the lock cylinder. I mean, that's something pretty easy to skip over as a detail, but it's there. The grill's nice scale detail. The scale wipers. Open front grill. Really, really neat. In my experience, these are pseudo Recaro seats. They're some of the most comfortable seats I've ever had in a car. This, of course, is showing it as a 5-speed. You could get an automatic. They actually had less horsepower, 225 horsepower for the 5 speeds, 200 horsepower with the automatics. They even had different turbos, the T25 turbo for the automatic, a TDO 415T Mitsubishi turbo for the 5 speeds. These were pretty quick cars for their day. I think their claim to fame was rolling acceleration. I think they were faster 50 to 90 or 50 to 70 than Testarossas and 911 turbos of the same vintage. I had a black 9000 turbo, but unfortunately it was an automatic, so it didn't stay in my household very long. It's a limited edition. I think they typically do runs of 320. This is car number 423, so I'm not sure what that means. It was supposed to be one of 320. Maybe it's up to 500. I don't know. A little bit of underbody detailing, a little bit more than your typical flat resin. DNA did change the packaging recently. Early on, you got this microfiber satchel and a clear display base and stuff. Now it's just a nice basic window box with a basic plastic base. I personally prefer this. It takes up less space. Probably reduces cost a little bit. I actually special ordered this. I pre-ordered it maybe in February. That's how much I wanted it. So I paid retail about $150 shipped. Not cheap, more than I normally spend on resin, but I like supporting the little guy. They're into the same cars I am, so I don't know. For me, it's worth it at that price. Not mad at it. So that's it for this week. I don't know. I think I've got a couple of cars coming from China. A couple autos I special ordered, so hopefully they're here soon. So that's it for this week. Everyone have a good one. Talk soon.